The Samsung Galaxy M35 has quickly gained attention as a feature-rich, budget-friendly smartphone that caters to a broad range of users. Samsung's M series has always been about delivering excellent value, and the Galaxy M35 is no exception. Here's a detailed look at its key features and performance. The Galaxy M35 features a sleek, modern design with a plastic back and a sturdy frame. Its slim profile and lightweight construction make it comfortable to hold for extended periods. Available in various colors, the phone has a matte finish that resists fingerprints, adding to its premium feel. One of the highlights of the Galaxy M35 is its 6.6-inch Super AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate. The screen delivers vivid colors, deep blacks, and excellent brightness, making it perfect for multimedia consumption and gaming. The high refresh rate ensures smooth scrolling and a responsive touch experience. Powered by the Exynos 1380 processor and paired with up to 8 GB of RAM, the M35 handles multitasking and gaming with ease. Apps load quickly and transitions are smooth, making it a reliable device for everyday tasks and moderate gaming. The inclusion of 5G connectivity ensures fast internet speeds and future-proofing. The Galaxy M35 boasts a versatile 6x triple camera setup, which includes a 6x primary sensor with excellent detail and color accuracy in good lighting conditions, an 8MP ultra-wide lens for expansive shots, a 2MP macro lens for close-up photography. The camera performs well in daylight and delivers decent results in low-light conditions thanks to night mode. The 3.2MP front camera captures sharp and vibrant selfies, making it ideal for social media enthusiasts. Equipped with a 6,000 mAh battery, the Galaxy M35 easily lasts a full day of heavy usage or 2 days with moderate use. It supports to 5W fast charging, which is a bit slower than some competitors, but still gets the job done. Running One UI 6.0 based on Android 14, the software experience is intuitive and packed with customization options. Features like Samsung Knox for security and Game Booster for gamers add to its appeal. The Samsung Galaxy M35 delivers a well-rounded package at an affordable price. It shines with its vibrant display, reliable performance, versatile cameras, and exceptional battery life. While the charging speed could be faster, it's a minor trade-off for everything else this phone offers. If you're looking for a budget smartphone that punches above its weight, the Galaxy M35 is an excellent choice.